Nature quotes to appreciate the beauty of the outdoors. 1. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, and they're still beautiful. 2. Forget not that the earth delights to feel your bare feet and the winds long to play with your hair. 3. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. 4. Heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. 5. To me, a lush carpet of pine needles or spongy grass is more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. 6. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. 7. I believe in God, only I spell it nature. 8. Choose only one master, nature. 9. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. 10. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. 11. There is something infinitely healing in the repeated refrains of nature, the assurance that dawn comes after night and spring after winter. 12. Leave the road, take the trails. 13. Live in each season as it passes, breathe the air, drink the drink, taste the fruit, and resign yourself to the influence of the earth. 14. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. 15. It is not so much for its beauty that the forest makes a claim upon men's hearts, as for that subtle something, that quality of air, that emanation from old trees, that so wonderfully changes and renews a weary spirit. 16. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you.